Arma. Design fast, design tough.
Sometimes. Whoa! Whoops! Oh boy! Oh no! What is going on, boys and girls? Today just gonna get out and I'm actually just curious what this thing will do top speed wise, since I have a 17 tooth pinion in it now. And that's kind of just an excuse because I charged up some batteries thinking I was gonna get to run this weekend and I didn't get a chance to, so I'd like to kill them. So we got a 160 amp Firma ESC in it. Looks like it's pulling that way a little bit. Maybe trim it up. We still don't have satellites yet. This is the worst GPS in the world, by the way, because the refresh is pitiful. Just waiting for it to pick up satellites. There we go. 1 mile an hour, 1.6, blah, blah, blah. Should go back to, oh, that's max. So go back to average, max, real time, walk around. You see how slow it is to update. All right, well, let's get this in the truck, make a couple passes. So with the 15 tooth pinion I had on it before and the 150 amp ESC, I did ended up doing 64.5 miles per hour. I'll put this thing on max. So we're at 2.1. Here we go. We'll zero it anyway. Okay, zeroed out. Max, average, max 0. I like to cradle it right in the top of the roll cage there. A little bit windy today, not horrible. Let's make a couple of light passes here. I have had my pinion come loose quite a few times on this, so it always scares me. So if it comes loose when you're at full speed, then you have no brakes. All right, let's get a pass here. Oh, we're off the road. Probably should get a little bit more warmed up before I do that. Let's get on the straighter section here. Tell you what, dealing with the crown of the road, it's really bad. It looks like that driver's side front tires got a little wobble to it. I think I got some water in them last time I ran it. Oh boy. Okay, what did we break? You definitely broke something. My camera's gone. GoPro is gone. All right, need to find the GoPro. Truck looks like it's, oh, there it is. Holy crap, I got lucky, guys. Here's the GoPro. Wow. Whew. Let's stop that right there. All right, let's, I'll probably stay on this stretch right here. This is a lot straighter. But just out of curiosity, let's see what we got on that pass. If the GPS is even still in there. That might have flown out. Oh my God, it's still in there. 69.2 miles per hour.
Nice. Nice.
What?
With the crash. I could tell she was cruising. Those tires were like pizza cutters. Whew.
Is everything all right?
Everything's still running. Yeah, just took a nasty crash. The GoPro flew off of it. I don't know how, but I mean, I'll have to do a further inspection, but it doesn't look like anything on the truck is broken. Oh, the piece of tape, yeah. All right, 69.2. Dang. All right, let's go for one more. I'm gonna kill this footage here. Let's not take out people's mailboxes here. She was wide open there for a good second. That's gonna be it. We didn't beat 69.2 that time. It ain't happening today. 68.6. So 69.2 is the record. Oh, well, we got everything cooking here. Check the temperatures of things. What do we got on the motor? 160, I did see 165, 161, 162. 140. I mean, that was just pass after pass though. 156. All right, we're gonna call it there. Top speed of the day, 69.2. There it is with a 17 tooth pinion. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys on the next one.